Welcome to the Cool Kids! Today we're learning numbers 51 through 60 with sports, games, and lots of cheering fun. Clap, count, and play along. Let's get moving, Cool Kids! 51. The soccer fun's begun. 52. Slam dunk just for you. 53. Racing fast and free. 54. Swinging bats to score. 55. Gymnastics come alive. 56. Swimming splashy tricks. 57. Touchdowns make it heaven. 58. Tennis games are great. 59. Bikes in a line. 60. Trophies shine so pretty. Wow! What an amazing game! We counted all the way from 51 to 60 with the Cool Kids. Every number was a win, and you were cheering right along with us. Great job, team! Until next time, keep practicing, keep playing, and keep having fun with numbers. See you soon, Cool Kids!